Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today I want to talk with you about a brand called Kane, which is a footwear company and a very interesting one at that. About a week ago, I was at the gym, saw somebody wearing this color shoe, and I asked them, what is that shoe? And he said they're called Kanes. He said they're awesome, so comfortable. You can see here, it's got 3,533 reviews. Now, over the past several years, I've been talking about OOFOS footwear, and very comfortable to wear, but I'm always looking for an alternative as well. And that's what these are. These are an active recovery shoe, again called the Kane, and I love what they're doing as far as recycling. You can see here they got a number of different colors. They're very popular, they sell fast. I want to get the Stars and Stripes version. Looks like it's got a nice wide footbed. I will be getting my pair and I will be sharing my thoughts on the shoes once I get them. And I wanted just to share with you, before I share some other information about the shoe, which is, I think, really interesting. It's made of Restore foam created from Brazilian sugarcane, and it's a renewable source. Sugarcane helps reduce greenhouse gases by capturing CO2 as it grows. It has a Restore foam, which provides ideal balance of cushioning and supports to help the body renew. These are great to work out in from what I've seen. And people just love them. As you can see there, it has these key pressure points inside the footbed, which is very cool. And they absolutely look fantastic. And you'll be able to come here and just see what people are saying. People are buying multiple pairs of these shoes. So no matter what brand you have, whether it's OOFOS or another brand, and you're on your feet and you're active, then you should definitely check this out. And this is their Project Renew, which is very cool. And what they do is what you could do is donate your used Kanes and they'll send you a $10 gift card to your next pair. And what they're doing is they're making reusable things like a yoga mat. And I love that about what the company's doing. So I'll put my referral link in the description so you could check it out and see what other people have to say. Definitely want to check out the reviews and see what fits you best. And I'm so glad I learned about them and so glad to share it with you. But definitely do check them out. And again, they have quite a number of colors to choose from. So there you go. Check it out today. Kane shoes. Again, the referral link will be in the description as well as in the comment section. And I look forward to hearing your thoughts if you do own a pair. Please leave any comments below. And again, once I get my pair, I will look forward to reviewing those and sharing with you my thoughts. So thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.